Hello, I hope everybody's week's off to a great start. I'm going to show you the new process we're going to use for our student promotion and retention list. Shortly, everybody will receive an email like this, kindergarten promotion list. It will be titled your grade level though. If you'll click on that, this will explain that we're going to use Google Sheets to document our students that are promoted and our students that will be retained for next year. And it will also explain that you need to disregard items number 21, 23, and 24 on your end of the year checklist. This one document will encompass all those items. So if you will click on that first link. In this Google Sheet, this is where you will put all your students, last and first name, and then all of their information across here. It explains their ability level in reading and math, their EOG scores in reading and math, their ECEL, their teacher for this year, behavior concerns, students they need to be separated from, and other concerns. And all this is information that will be useful in placing your students for next year and for administration to have as well. So you will input all this. One item to pay attention to, as you'll notice, there are drop-down boxes, and this is just so that we can have consistent language in this form. So these drop-down boxes are nice, but they can be frustrating. So I'm in this drop-down. I'm going to select an ability level there, and then I'm going to try to go to the next box. If I click on the drop-down, sometimes it works well, sometimes it does not. If you see that you can't access the drop-down box, make sure you click to the left and then click the drop-down. Sometimes it won't let you click directly in the drop-down box. See how it did it there? It's not allowing me to use a drop-down feature. So if you click to the left and then click the drop-down arrow, then you can utilize the drop-down feature. So anyways, once you get all your students in here, across the bottom down here are the different groups for you to place your students in classes for next year. And what you'll do is you'll click on the students that you would like to place in a specific group. You'll copy that student and go over to the group, and then you can paste that student into that group. All the headers in each column are the same for the promotion list and the groups, so you can just simply copy and paste those students to split them up for next year. Here at the end is the retention list. We should have already talked about these students, and it shouldn't be a surprise of who's being retained or who we're looking at for that, but this is where you put all the information for your students that are being retained as well. Once you have finished as a grade level all these tabs and have completed this entire document, if you would, just simply reshare this document with me to signify that you have finished this task. If you have any other questions or concerns about this document, please let me know. I hope you have a wonderful week.